Chapter 32 The Bridge. Ram, Lakshmana, Sugriva, Jambavan and Hanuman discussed the arrival of the Rakshasa, Vibhishan. Sugriva and Jambavan did not trust the younger brother of Ravana. "He has been sent to spy on us," said Sugriva. Jambavan nodded in agreement. "A brother of the demon king cannot be trusted." Hanuman had an opposing view. "I encountered Vibhishan while I was in Lanka. He was deep in meditation before a shrine, one adorned with symbols of Lord Ram. When Ravana decreed my execution, it was Vibhishan who rose in protest. He urged his brother to act with Dharma. Even in my conversation with Ma Sita, she made mention of a noble brother of the demon king who made attempts to secure her release. Ram listened closely to the discussion among his allies. Then he ordered Vibhishan to be brought before him. Vibhishan bowed before Lord Ram. "I have resigned my post in my brother's court. I seek refuge at your feet. I can no longer stand by and witness the malevolence that consumes our kingdom." Ram questioned Vibhishan in detail about Lanka's defenses, Ravana's prowess, the movement of his generals, and the power of his demon forces. Vibhishan answered each question with clarity and conviction. Hanuman, who had seen Lanka firsthand, verified many of his claims. The Prince of Ayodhya detected a nobleness in the brother of Ravana. Hearing the sincerity in Vibhishan's words, Ram accepted him as an ally. One who seeks refuge must never be turned away. "This is the way of Dharma," Ram said to the assembled Vanaras. "It is our sacred duty to offer sanctuary." Even Sugriva, though still cautious, bowed to Ram's judgment. Vibhishan was welcomed into the fold, and Ram declared, "When Lanka falls, Vibhishan shall be crowned its rightful king." By this time, the creation of the bridge to Lanka, under the stewardship of the Vanara engineer Nal, was well underway. The Vanaras divided into teams. Some cut and hauled massive tree trunks from the forest. Others quarried and rolled boulders. Long vines and sturdy ropes were used to bind the materials. Still others measured distances and laid the foundation stone across the shifting waters. On the first day, the Vanaras built 14 yojanas of the bridge. On the second day, gaining momentum, they completed 20 yojanas. 21 yojanas on the third day, 22 yojanas on the fourth day, and finally 23 yojanas on the fifth day. In 5 days, the 100 yojana long bridge to Lanka was completed, and the Vanara army, numbering in the millions, crossed the bridge, arriving in Lanka within miles of the city. The siege of Lanka had begun. Thank you for watching so far. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please hit the like button. If you're new here, please subscribe. This will ensure that more people can find this resource. Click the notification button so that you can be the first to know about new uploads. And please do comment below. I'll do my best to reply to any questions. Thank you.